Hello everyone and welcome back. So here let's look at a list of our suppliers. So we've got 5 suppliers and 3 customers. So like I did with customers, here you can see batch actions. You can email them, or you can make a supplier inactive. Let's say you no longer deal with them, you can do that as well. And another thing is, these are some actions. You can create an expense, you can write a check, right? You can create a purchase order, you can make a supply inactive. So create an expense, this is, you can also create a bill that's a supply invoice. Then here you can try to print a list of your suppliers and their opening balance in the email, or you may want to download or export a list of your suppliers as well, like this. So this is perfect. And if you just scroll down here, we have created 0 purchase orders in the last 365 days. In the last year, we don't have any unpaid supply invoices, we don't have any open supply invoices, we have paid 0 supply invoices. So here the action, you can import suppliers, you can multiple suppliers, something like that. So this is perfect. And yeah, so this is how you do it, and I hope you are not getting lost now. So in the next section, I'm going to show you how to add products to on QuickBooks Plus. So see you in the next section.